Hi students, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed very important integral type integration of e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal e power x into f of x plus c. Okay. We have practiced some examples. E power x tan x plus secant square x dx. Tell me the answer. E power x into tan x, because this differentiation is here. Integration of e power x 1 by root of 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x dx. Tell me the answer. E power x into sin inverse x, because this differentiation is this. This is f of x and this is f dash x. Okay. Next, integration of e power x 1 by x plus log x dx. E power x log x. E power x log x. Integration of e power x tan x plus 1 plus tan square x equal e power x tan x, because tan x differentiation secant square x. So 1 plus tan square x equal to secant square x. So e power x into tan x, like this. Many problems you get in competitive compulsory question from this concept, even theory also. Okay. So this type of problems yesterday we have practiced, and some examples also there. Example 22. Integration e power x into tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. Tell me the answer this. E power x into tan inverse x. This is f of x and this is f dash x. Next, example 22, second question. Integration of x square plus 1 e power x by x plus 1 whole square dx, which is important. See, integration of e power x into x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx equal e power x. This is we are write in the form of x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. There is a single fraction, we have to make sum of two fractions, f of x plus f dash x form. To make that form, the denominator first you observe. What is the denominator here? Plus 1. This term x plus 1 we should get in numerator. Okay, to get that, integration of e power x, can I write like this? X square plus 1 it is. Minus 1 if there, we can write x plus 1 into x minus 1. But x square plus 1 we can't. This is irreducible polynomial. We can't express the product of linear factors. So to get minus 1, minus 1 plus 2. Can I write like this? Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Why should I write like this? This is the a square minus b square. Then a plus b into a minus b. X plus 1 into x minus 1. This form will get. Okay? And divide by x plus 1 whole square equal integration of e power x, splitting this by this, x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Integration of e power x, this is we can write x plus 1 into x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. See, this form we made in the numerator. Now get the answer. Plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. So integration of e power x, x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Let verify. This is where is there means this derivative may be this. Let verify. D by dx of x minus 1 by x plus 1. How to find this differentiation? U by d. denominator x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 into this differentiation is 1 minus x minus 1. This differentiation is 1. So x get cancelled, minus minus plus 1, 2 by x plus 1 whole square. So this is f of x and this is f dash x. E power x, f of x plus f dash x integration is e power x into f of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus yes. So this type of problems over. Remaining will get in competitive. While discussing competitive, you will get many questions. And one more is this. Question number 24. Question number 24. Integration e power x sec x into 1 plus tan x dx. Integration e power x multiply sec x into 1 sec x plus sec x into tan x. Now this is f of x. Sec x derivative is sec x into tan x f dash x. Tell me the answer is e power x into sec x plus integration e power x x power x into x power x power x 1 plus log x dx. This is x power x differentiation is x power x into 1 plus log x. So answer is e power x into x power x. X power x differentiation how to find? Base and power both are variable. Apply log on both sides. You will get this. Let y is equal to x power x. Apply log on both sides. You will get this. Standard form it is. X power x derivative is x power x into 1 plus log x. And don't write d by dx of x power x is equal. Don't write like this x into x power x minus 1. This is not in the form of x raised to n. X raised to x plus both base and power both are variable. Next, the question number 21. Integration e power x into sin x dx. Correct? Question verified. E power 2x. Yes. E power 2x sin x dx. Right. See, e power 2x into sin x dx. Yes. Integration e power 2x into sin x dx. In that, which is the first function? LH sin x. Trigonometric function first. Next, exponential function. So first you write integration of sin x into e power 2x dx by part 2. By parts. F of integration of f of x g of x dx equal to f of x integration of g of x minus whole integration derivative of f dash x integration of g of x whole dx. This is. Now I am writing here integration of f of x into g of x dx equal to f of x integration of g of x dx integration of f dash x integration of g of x dx whole dx. This is integration of f of x here. If this is f of x and g of x. Yes. Tell me f of x is sin x. Integration of e power 2x dx minus whole integration. Derivative of sin x. d by dx of sin x. Integration of e power 2x dx whole dx. Sin x e power 2x integration e power 2x by 2 minus integration of derivative of sin x is cos x and e power 2x integration e power 2x by 2 dx. Again product uv f of x and g of x. 1 by 2 sin x into e power 2x. 1 by 2 take common cos x into e power 2x dx. This is f of x and this is g of x. Again use the product formula. 1 by 2 sin x e power 2x. 1 by 2 f of x cos x integration of e power 2x dx minus whole integration tell me d by dx of cos x d by dx of cos x integration of e power 2x dx whole dx. You can write direct also cos x integration minus sin x e power x integration e power 2x by direct also you can write it. Only for understanding getting formulas, because this is a new formula. By practicing only you can get it. To get that I am writing them step by step. E power tell me equal to 1 by 2 sin x into e power 2x minus 1 by 2 cos x e power 2 integration e power 2x by 2 minus integration of derivative of cos x is minus sin x, is a plus here sin x into e power 2x integration e power 2x by 2 I am writing here into dx. Again which form it contain? uv. Sin x into e power 2x is our question. Again if you apply, again you will get this. Next again you will get that only. It never ends. It will be repeat cos sin integration like this only. Okay. In such case, how to solve? When it is repeat this question, same what we are doing solving that question repeated here. Okay. From this our question only, given question. Yes. When it happen like this, first you consider the given integral is I for integrate. I is our question. So like this I. Same I means integration of sin x into e power 2x. Now integration of sin x into e power 2x equal to I. Then the question will be I terms together this side will get the answer. Okay. I equal to tell me 1 by 2 sin x e power 2x minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 tell me 1 by 4 cos x e power 2x minus 1 by 4 integration of sin x into e power 2x equal to I. Start this. I plus 1 by 4 I equal to e power 2x by 2 take common or by 4 take common will get 2 sin x minus cos x. 1 plus 1 by 4 5 by 4 5 by 4 equal to e power 2x by 4 2 sin x minus cos x. This get cancelled. I equal to e power 2x into 2 sin x minus cos x. What is I? This is our question. Instead of 5 write this question, integration of sin x into e power 2x dx equal to e power 2x by 5 into 2 sin x minus cos x. This is the answer. Are you following? When like this sin x cos x, when the question if by solving the question if comes, then the given integral consider as I. Then again if you solve here, if you not write I, again if you solve you will get in terms of cos, again in terms of sin, cos sin, like this only it will be isolated. Understood? To get the answer, what is this question we have to consider as I. When you consider as I, the integration will be finished, but when the terms transfer this side, you get I. Understood? This type of questions, you see, integration e power ax into cos bx dx. Next, integration of e power ax into sin bx dx. This type of questions, by solving integration, the given integral considered as I. So I can solve first this. This is you try yourself. Okay. So integration of cos I equal to e power ax into cos bx dx. I equal to, tell me first function is cos bx. This is g of x. F of x is cos bx. Integration of e power ax dx minus d by dx of cos bx. Integration of e power ax dx whole dx. This is general form. If you solve this, any problem you can solve. Just now we have solved what? E power 2x into sin x dx. This is generalized for this. A is 2. What is the B is 1. Understood? Okay. Now cos bx. E power ax integration. E power ax by a minus derivative of cos bx is minus sin bx into b. E power ax integration, e power ax by a whole dx. E power ax cos bx by a plus, what is the constant here? B by a, integration of sin bx into e power ax dx. Now e power ax cos bx by a plus b by a, again use product rule, sin bx f of x, integration of e power ax dx minus whole integration derivative of sin bx, integration of e power ax dx whole dx. Now I equals e power ax cos bx by a plus b by a sin bx e power x integration e power x by a minus integration of derivative of sin bx is cos bx into b and e power x integration e power ax by a dx. I equal e power ax cos bx by a, multiply here, b by a plus b by a square e power ax into sin bx minus b by a take out, integration of cos bx into e power ax dx equal to I. Transfer this side, I plus b by a I e power ax by, what is the common? A square. Take common. A square or A? A square also you can take common. We will get here a cos bx plus b sin bx. Tell me here. I take common here. A plus, sorry, when you multiply this into this, again this is a common no, minus b square by a square, b square by a square. Then we will get here a square plus b square by a square, e power ax by a square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. This get cancelled. So I equal to e power ax by a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. Therefore, integration of e power ax cos bx dx equal to formula e power ax by a square plus b square, a cos bx plus b sin bx. This is. If you want, you can remember formula also. When you forget formula, use the product rule. For example, e power 2x into cos x dx. If you want, when you remember this formula, you can substitute direct. A is equal to 2, e power 2x. 2 square a, b is 1. 2 square is 4 plus 1, 5. A 2 cos b 1 plus b 1 sin b 1 x plus x. By solving this also, e power x and bx you will get e power x by a square plus b square, a sin bx minus b cos bx will get minus b cos bx will get. That you try yourself. Okay. Next, question number 22. Integration of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Tell me sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to inverse trigonometric function formula. Sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 2 tan inverse x. Don't know this? X equal to tan theta. We will get 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta equal to sin 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta. 2 theta. Theta means tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x formula. You remember direct this is the proof. X equal to tan theta, that is the proof of sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x. Already inverse trigonometric function is over means you are able to know the formulas. We can write direct also. Okay. 2 tan inverse x equal to, there are two formulas. 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. One more, tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. These two formulas. Okay. When you forget formula, let x is equal to tan theta. Then 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, which is equal to sin 2 theta. Sin inverse of sin 2 theta, 2 theta. Theta is tan inverse x, because we have assumed x is equal to tan. Theta is tan inverse x. So I am writing direct 2 tan inverse x. How to solve 2 tan inverse x? Tan inverse x integration how can find? Tan inverse x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x integration how can find? By using product rule only. 1 second function consider as 1. Are you following? Integration of sin inverse x, integration of cos inverse x, integration of tan inverse x, sec inverse x, cosec inverse x, all we can find by using by parts. In that second function consider as 1. So this is f of x and this is g of x. Use the formula 2 into f of x tan inverse x integration of 1 dx minus whole d by dx of tan inverse x, integration of 1 dx whole dx. While I am explaining, you can understand easily. Understood? After that, when you solve now, you will stuck up. You will get lot of doubts. Okay, that's why while doing yourself, first you practice. Where you are stuck up, immediately you stop, and next day or through WhatsApp you can ask the doubt, clarify it. Then only you will get concept. Where you are stuck up, where is doing mistake, that first identify. Okay? Because blindly if you do know, it won't get concept. Right? 2 tan inverse x. Integration of 1 is x. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 x dx. 2 into x into tan inverse x minus, how to find integration is 1 plus x square, derivative is 2x, but 2 not there, multiply by 2, 2x by 1 plus x square dx. 2 into x into tan inverse x by minus 1 by 2, this is equal to log of 1 plus x square. Because if it is online, you would have write by this topic, you would have write maybe 3, 4, 5 exams only for the integration. Because you will come while writing exams, by practicing, you will get the concept. By listening, how many times you listen, you can able to understand, but you can't try. You can't get the real concept unless you try. Okay, yourself trying is most important. So online, while doing, it is not easy to understand the integration. Okay, when you practice, when you hard work, then only you can able to understand this. Okay, offline, we'll take care, we'll conduct exams, we'll follow every first 15 minutes. I will ask formulas. All you may be recollect. You may get the concept. Okay, by 1 month or 1.5 month, I may conduct 3, 4, 5 exams. Okay, only for the by parts 1 exam you may be right. Okay, but this is online, is not possible. So that's why the difference is a lot of difference offline online. Okay, online by sitting you can able to understand easy, but online not like that. Online yourself. Every day you recollect, you hard work, recollect the formulas, what to do. You think yourself. If not understand, go to the previous videos. So these all very important. Those who are following online, okay, videos. If not understand the previous concept, again you can able to watch the videos. Okay, again practice. Where you are not getting concept, that again you listen and practice. Okay, this is the way to get concept. Once if you get concept, lifelong you can't remember, you can't forget, you never forget. It's true, I'm telling you. Okay, right, understood? Integration of sin inverse x, integration of cos inverse x, tan inverse x, all we can find by using by parts method. Okay. Next, only in exercise 7.6, exercise 7.6, only one problem left, that is question number 23. Integration of x square into e power x cube dx. Tell me the way of solving. Now the whole concept is over. This differentiation is there here. Let x cube equal to d. X cube differentiation 3x square dx by dt equal to 1. X square dx equal to dt by 3. Substitute here e power t and x square dx is equal to dt by 3. 1 by 3 e power t dt. So 1 by 3 e power t integration e power t plus e power t is x cube by 3. Why this question given in the